The last part, how do we, kind of skip that. How do we skip the work of keeping everything up to date? We started this few months back when we started to get all these details from our Slack and update the CRM, and we presented that in a previous call. And then it changed and it changed and it changed over time. What it really may be interesting to see right now is this starts to be data not just coming from Slack, it starts to be data coming from everywhere. Emails, my inbox, my colleagues' inbox, the let me see how I okay. So help me show me the data skill for meeting. Oh, for Makeitfuture project overview and CRM updating. Okay, so by doing that, so we have a skill that's always has the knowledge on how to query our different sources of data. What that really means is he knows what are the sources, HubSpot, what are the sources for Slack, what are the different channels, what are the different Google Drive folders where we save the data, the meetings, and so on. And then every time we have a new meeting, every time there's a new call, it will automatically take that data, extract it, and moving that data into a CRM, moving that data into different files, sending it for the marketing pipeline. So for example, if there's an idea that is mentioned during one of those meetings, it's automatically distributed towards marketing. If we need to notify any kind of Slack, that's any kind of people, we do that through Slack notifications. So practically there's an always running process that's verifying all these new meetings, putting those in categories and sending those meetings towards the different sources. On top of that, we're also aggregating all the data from our communication channels with this skill and updating the different platforms for everybody to be aware about it. Okay, so each of these three workflows is just, I would say, very general workflows, just basic ranking, but it's a lot very powerful. Basic briefing before the meeting. Again, just get your things prepared before you jump on a call with anybody, and then capture everything, all the outcomes from that meeting, so you can update that later. Okay, so here I have, okay, from my favorite skill library, I have the Makeitfuture project review and the HubSpot Makeitfuture that are getting the details and are updating based on this. The way I run this, I could run it with a schedule inside Cloud Desktop. The way we run it is with a Hermes inside our organization. And by the way, if you're working on Slack, use Slack for your Hermes connection. And every time there's a new challenge, every time there's a new process, just tell Hermes to build that for you. So AI does the work, your team stays in control. That's kind of the motto.